Good morning. Oh man, my lens is dirty. Who did it? Who made my lens dirty? Happy last day of the year, everybody. Feel like we should have had New Year's last night because Xander and I were up till like 3 o'clock, so I feel about as rough as I look. But I am going to give Kiki a brand new cereal she's never had before. And it's called Raisin Bran, and I know she's gonna love it because she always asks for her raisins every morning, huh? So this is called Raisin Bran cereal, and it's got raisins in it. Do you want to eat some? This was Poppy's favorite cereal when I was a kid. I wonder if it's still his favorite. Between this and the mini honey wheats, I think those were shredded wheat. I don't even know what you call those. Yeah, shredded wheat. I remember those two like being his favorite cereals. But I don't know what his favorite cereal is anymore because that was back in the day when we were little squirts. All right, you gotta try it. Tell me how it is. How's it look so far? Delicious. Let's see. Did you get a raisin in there? You like it? Ooh. Ooh. How old were you?
I remember it.
His reaction. I think.
Like competition thing amongst, it's like in the blood.
Okay, I'm showered. I feel a little more human. I got white eyelashes because I couldn't finish my makeup yet, so we're gonna roll with some white eyelashes. But we're gonna play a game system I haven't played in so long. We're going to play the Wii. And what are we playing first? Wipeout or the sports one?
I played it on that PlayStation before.
You played the Wii or what?
No, I played on that PlayStation before.
Oh, really?
I went on Human Fall Flat. And then
What did you do? How?
We're playing the game, or no, it was earlier. It kind of bent when I was playing the game, and I went to the garage to put the key in, and my nail went and bent.
Oh man. Yeah, my nails were nice and long and blue, but then we went bowling and they got destroyed, and I have to repaint them today. But I cut them short. Like I could have probably just cut the thumbnails short and like kept the rest, but I don't like when they're uneven.
Controllers.
So short we go again. Alright, wait, okay, so what are the controls? I don't know.
So A is jumping and use the joystick to run forward.
Okay.
B is sliding. That's all.
B is sliding.
You don't really need to use sliding though now. This is easy.
Here we go.
Oh, grande.
Oh gosh. Oh.
Oh, good one.
Grande.
Oh, Granny! Jump higher! Oh.
Grande. My grandma.
Run, grandma. Grüß, mama.
Yeah, Granny! Climb, Granny! Faster!
It looks like a gator.
Granny, go faster!
Go, Gator Gran.
Oh, yeah!
She's got the moves like Granny.
Oh!
Granny.
Go, Granny! Faster! Dum, da, dum, da,
She's
dum,
gonna
da,
beat
da,
my
dum,
time.
da, dum, da, dum. Oh!
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 Granny.
Granny!
Yeah! Granny!
Beat me!
Oh, now.
Dang. It's gonna take him a long time to swim back.
Grandpa loves this is his first day on the job.
He loves it.
Boy.
Oh! Oh!
Boy.
Oh! I swallowed my gum.
You're nice, Sarah.
Sarah.
Aww. she nice? You like her, Xander? Good job. Yeah, you being nice. Puppy. Oh, puppy. I have to get a new one.
Okay, we're recording. He's trying the Baja Blast.
Yeah. Xander's reaction to drinking Mountain Dew.
You didn't do the hand.
tenses
Is he
up
holding?
every time.
What's he doing with his hand?
Where's your hand? Okay, here's your hand. Okay. Is that good?
He wasn't shaking
He
yet.
wasn't doing it. Every time he takes a sip, he goes like this with his hand. He feels the sugar coursing through his veins. Okay, good. Good choice. Xander, are you outside? Come here, come this way. Let's get the stroller. Wait, where is the stroller? Actually, it's in Drew's car. I love the oversized shirt on him because it just makes him look even cuter. I don't know why. Oh no. Wow, look. I just broke Drew's car. Great. It feels so nice out here. I'm loving it. Ugh, sorry. So nice. We're all going for a walk. We're all gonna get some fresh air and it should be fun because everybody's going. I totally just messed up Drew's plastic on his car. Oopsie. Sorry, Drew. Say, Dad, can you hang these up? Here we go. Are you gonna go for a walk? Are you gonna go for a walk?
Are you going to get tired down a tunnel?
Okay, stop. We're gonna get some sunshine and fresh air.
My turn, Amber.
We're gonna get some exercise. Oh no. He needs some sunshine and get rid of that cold. Once and for all, because Mommy does not want to stay up till 3 a.m. again. Hey you! Are you going for a walk? Huh?
Say bye-bye.
Remember that one time we were in the aquarium and I got the video of us all walking by and saying everybody did something different as they passed the camera? And Dad like lifted up his arm and did a heart. The things we do for footage. Did you wave hi? Aww, you're so cute. Now it's on.
What do I say?
I don't know, just say hi. My name's Amber. I'm Kayla's niece.
Hi, my name's Amber. I'm Kayla's niece, and we're going on a walk.
And you're taking over.
And I'm taking over.
There you go.
And we're having fun. This is Autumn. Autumn, say hi. Liberty, Liberty, say hi. Liberty, Liberty.
You can't say anything.
Oh. Kiki, what's your name? Kaden. And how are you doing? Good. And how old are you?
What if you never own a home?
4. Yeah. You having fun? Yeah, okay. I don't know. What do you want to say?
I don't know. What are we doing? What's today? What are we doing? Do you know what today is?
Today is New Year's Eve. We're having fun. It's very sunny, very bright, I guess I will say. It is hot in Florida. It's not cold. They're just walking. We're on a walk. We're having fun. Going zoom zoom. And I will show you to my sister Emory.
Hi.
Nice tree, big. There's another tree. Poppy, say hi. You're a tree.
Hi, you're a tree.
Good.
Kick it to Carson. Throw it to Carson. Good job. You gonna kick it or throw it? Oh, there goes the ball. Kick it. Good job. Woohoo! Kick. Woo, there it goes. I got it. Kick it at me. Kick the ball. Kick the ball. Kick it. Hey, that's our ball. good job. Can you throw it to mommy? Bye-bye.
Can I have that? No.
Here you go, Dada.
Oh, thank you.
What is this game called again?
Ticket to Ride.
Ticket to Ride. You have your destination cards.
I see it.
Oh, they're upside down. And then you have to build your train track, pretty much, and complete your cards.
Hi. It's Dada. Hi, Dada. Such a little thinker. Oh, I love when he does that face. He's looking at you. Oh. Is that the Oh, Samantha.
Peekaboo.
Ooh.
Ah! And where's Xander?
Hi,
We got 5 pinks.
ABC's Dick Clark's New Year's Rockin' the Eve with Ryan Seacrest plays at 8 o'clock.
I'm assuming
8 o'clock.
Here somewhere.
Don't they do midnight?
I think they start something at 8 o'clock.
Is it, who's all
And
the
then 11
trashy? I don't like them.
Big
They're
Blacks.
trashy.
No, that's ABC. That's classy.
A lot of the stuff ends
No,
up
the
with
other
all
ones
the
are-
trashy people.
The other
on.
ones.
The board is filling
sociable.
up fast.
Go,
Look at
Joe.
all those colors, everybody.
Trying to figure out how am I going to connect these. These are all over the place. It's stuff out here, down here, over there, out
Mimi
down
won.
there.
Good job, Mimi.
Look at that
Thanks.
board.
What's your longest, Mom? What's your longest train?
36.
My
longest
longest
train goes
was
from
from
like
Seattle
here.
to New York was what it wanted. But then
crazy.
it, like ones connected had to go that way and then it was just all different.
That's crazy.
Good game.
Alright.
Very good game.
Okay. We'll have to play the other version of it.
Asia gets panicked. Asia gets panicked because she feels the crunch of getting out of places again. It's funny.
With this version. We'll have to play that.
Oh, good.
Peace.
He's saying ta-da. Where'd the ball go? Where'd the ball go? Where'd it go? Ta-da! He said, ta-da! Hey, get that back up there. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Ta-da! We are gonna be decent human beings, guys, by lighting off fireworks before 12 o'clock.
And we're staying up until 1.
Till after midnight. We're gonna go outside. Andrew's gonna light some fireworks. We're hoping he doesn't blow anything up.
Or himself.
And if he does, actually no, I'm not gonna say that. We're hoping he doesn't blow anything up and doesn't piss off any neighbors. So I'll be inside while you guys light off the fireworks. I'm just kidding. They make me nervous.
Joe, you need to bring your speaker out.
You wanna go outside and see some fireworks? We'll see if you're gonna be if you'll get a little startled. Oh, hi, Keeker. Oh man, they're all gathered. Why are they all gathered in the street? That's the worst place to be.
Should I move my car?
Nah, it's not worth that much. I'm just kidding. What is that?
Fireworks.
Large friendship fountain. Oh, here we go. Oh, okay. And then it explodes. What was it? What was that? Let's see the handshake. Where's the secret handshake?
Up.
Rocket?
Nice.
If that one just goes up, we're good. If it turns sideways, we're bad.
I know. Watch him knock it over while he runs away. What is it? Firework? Oh.
What was it?
The crowd wants more!
Look, Sandra, look.
No one has power.
Look, buddy. Look. There's more. Look.
She doesn't have insurance, she said.
That's lame.
This one's big! Back up!
Don't get too close.
Run!
Oh my gosh. They're yelling lame. Tough crowd. What is that? What do you want? What do you want? A rainbow color firework? Oh.
It's a rainbow color.
Carson's not impressed.
I'm gonna get Andrew with the air horn.
What if he falls forward?
He's got a faulty firework!
This one was on clearance.
This one's big rocket.
Big rocket!
Yours is there. I think I just dislocated my.
She just. I missed it.
Karma. Did you get that on recording?
I thought you were gonna do it when he was gonna light it. I missed it. No, don't give those to him.
We're all dead now.
Daryl has the poppers. Oh no. No, you're gonna scare the kids.
Confetti!
Why don't you let them do that? They're not
Okay.
Oh my god!
Amber, come this way, babe. Come this way, guys.
Oh no! It just sounded like spray, canned spray.
It just sprayed like a wet powder all over him or something.
Give that close up to Andrew's
Silly
ear.
string.
Oh, I was waiting position to get him too.
Oh no. Don't, Daryl. Stop.
No.
Torture the bigger kids, not around here. You're gonna scare the
scared of
littles. Yes.
Sand, Kiki, look.
No women and children.
Yes, no
Kiki,
women and children.
Kiki, look. Daddy has a pop. You wanna see it? You wanna try one?
Hi, baby.
You just throw it. Look. Just throw it. Look, you just throw it.
Oh, mama. He's gonna light a firework. Watch it be just a hairy one. What's that? Is that pretty?
Wasn't that great?
The kids, that was pretty big. What?
Stay back here.
That's all it was?
No, it says it goes 100 foot.
I went behind the car for that?
He said it goes 100 foot.
What the?
Wow.
What the heck?
So you throw on the ground.
I think this is smoking.
Oh, bit the dust of wound. Nice. That's gonna be some nice
I think this is smoking.
Why is this
Smoking.
smoke?
bag is smoking.
It just blows up.
It's burning through the bag, I think.
Oh no!
That got me. Okay, he says this one's a beast.
Oh boy!
He dropped the bag. Oh! Oh gosh, why is it laying down?
The big one.
He usually does like, yeah.
Oh look, here comes another one. Ooh, pretty. She said bluey. Oh, here goes another one.
This one say, eyebrow burner.
Good, you need a good wax. Sonic boom.
Ah!
What's that one called again? Sonic boom?
Not done.
Stay back.
Here comes the boom.
Just wait.
Wait, buddy.
That one's effective.
I hope the next one is Mega Sonic Boom.
Jaden, watch. There's this big sonic boom.
Woohoo!
Laugh at the baby.
Best one of the night.
You laugh at the baby? A parent come out.
Ah, a Pringles can.
I'm getting out of here.
This says boom.
Sure it does.
Careful. Everybody gather your children.
Where's Xander?
Run!
Oh, it's terrifying. Oh, that's good. That's Happy New Year!
Oh, big boom! Yay!
Now guys,
It's not that one.
that was part 1 of 2 parts of a fireworks show.
Part 1?
We've got double the fireworks tonight
Where are the others?
for just $5.99 a month.
He's gotta go back.
He's taking up donations for the second show.
One more.
Hey, Andrew.
Are you taking up donations for the second show?
They're throwing pops instead of
Andrew.
throwing tomatoes.
How long's the intermission?
Drew.
Right in the
One got hit
middle
on
of
the
all
head,
of
the
it.
other got the arm. People out here dying.
That's what they were saying. That's CNN reporter.
It feels like you're just like shock like that.
Burns. It's so
Evan or Jaden, did you get hit in the head?
Yeah, he got hit in the head and I got hit in the arm.
He trying to set Jaden's hair on fire. I saw it.
Now wave it around like a wand. It's a magical wand.
Nice, dude. It is currently 10:30. Some have tons of energy. Some do not, and they are out.
Hey.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Time is a man-made concept. This doesn't matter.
Happy New Year, Giger, we made it!
Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away way, get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away.
Can you believe it's a new year? Can you believe it? Can you believe it? It's a new year. 2024. I love it because it's an even number.
Are we done with the fireworks, Mom?
Guess what? It's a new year. Are you so excited? You don't know what?
Grape juice to drink.
Grape juice to drink. Hooray! It's a new year and now we can all go to bed. Happy New Year, everyone. Now it's time to go to bed. Kiki's so excited, right? You're not? Oh, I am. Little man was celebrating in his own little way.